The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM represents a unique collaboration between Toyota's engineering prowess and Bajaj's expertise in compact mobility solutions. This vehicle is designed specifically for urban commuters and last-mile transportation, combining the efficiency of a two-wheeler with the comfort and safety of a small car. Its standout feature is its compact form factor. Measuring just 2,752 mm in length and 1312 mm in width, the Qute OM is incredibly easy to maneuver in tight spaces, narrow alleyways, and heavy traffic. This makes it ideal for densely populated cities where space is at a premium. Under the hood, the Qute OM is powered by a 217cc DTSI single-cylinder engine, delivering around 9.9 kilowatts, 13.5 horsepower of power and 19.6 Nm of torque. While those numbers might seem modest compared to traditional cars, they are more than adequate for the vehicle's lightweight construction and intended urban use. This engine is tuned for efficiency and low emissions, achieving remarkable fuel economy that can reach up to 35 to 40 km/h, depending on the driving conditions. The Qute OM is available in both petrol and CNG variants, offering flexibility for users looking to reduce their fuel costs or environmental footprint. The vehicle is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, which provides smooth shifting and helps maximize fuel efficiency. Despite its small size, the Qute OM can reach a top speed of about 70 km/h, which is sufficient for most city driving scenarios. Its performance on inclines and slopes is also surprisingly capable, thanks to the vehicle's low curb weight and well-calibrated torque output. One of the Qute OM's biggest strengths lies in its practical design. It features a monocoque body structure made from high-strength steel, which enhances safety while keeping the vehicle light. The exterior design is simple yet functional, with large windows for excellent visibility and a boxy silhouette that maximizes interior space. The turning radius is just 3.5 meters, making it incredibly agile for quick U-turns or navigating through tight corners and crowded streets. Inside, the cabin is straightforward but smartly laid out. The Qute OM seats up to 4 passengers, although it's more comfortable with 2 adults in the front and smaller passengers or cargo in the rear. The seats are upright and well cushioned, offering a decent level of comfort for short to medium trips. The dashboard is minimalistic, featuring essential controls, a basic digital speedometer, and practical storage compartments. There are also options for adding features like USB charging ports and smartphone holders, enhancing convenience for urban drivers. Storage space is another key selling point. With the rear seats up, you get 191 liters of space, which is more than enough for grocery runs or small deliveries. Folding down the rear seats boosts capacity to an impressive 850 liters, making it surprisingly practical for such a compact vehicle. This utility makes the Qute OM an attractive option not just for private commuters, but also for fleet operators and ride-sharing services. Safety features include seat belts for all passengers.